Okay, we're finding the area of a trapezoid. So I put in the area of a trapezoid formula from theorem 10-4, which is you do 1/2 height times the base 1 plus base 2. Base 1, I'm going to do the bases in orange here. Okay, base 1 and base 2. But, uh-oh, we don't actually know what that whole thing is. Or don't we? Let's fill in information that we know. Okay, I'm going to actually cut this up into pieces. I'm going to say, let's find this in chunks. We know that this first chunk, I'll fill it in once we know it. That first chunk there, 2 centimeters. Do we know what this middle chunk is? Yeah, well, if the top is 5, and we've got right angles down there, well, then we've got this one measuring 5 centimeters as well. And then what about this last one here on the left? What about that last one on the left here? Well, it says that this is 45, and since we know that this is 90 right here, the right triangle, so if this one's 45, then this one's also 45 up there, and that means then this leg and this leg of that triangle are the same. It's isosceles. So if that length from top to bottom here, this length here, is 9, then even though it doesn't look like it, because remember we're on the top in the instructions it says not drawn to scale. Okay, but if this is 9 and this is a 45, 45, 90, this must be 9 as well. So we're going to fill that in. This is equal to 9 centimeters as well. So then we've got a base of 5 at the top, and this one is 9 plus 5, 14, plus 2, 16. It's got a base of 16. And of course we've got this height of 9. So now we can just take the formula for area of a trapezoid. Area is equal to 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. Let's fill in what we know. 1/2 times the height, which is 9, times base 1 plus base 2. Base 1 is 5. Base 2 is the sum of all of those orange sections, or all of those pink sections. 9 plus 5 plus 2 is 16. Okay? And now all we need to do is we need to calculate that. So I'm going to first do, let's see, I'm going to first do 5 plus 16, which is 21. I'm going to multiply that by 9, 189, and then I'm going to divide it by 2, which is the same as multiplying by 1/2, and I get 94.5. And what are they? They were centimeters in the units. So centimeters squared is the area, 94.5 centimeters squared, and that's right there, D. All right, that's it. That's all you need to do. So for this one, it was just calculating the missing pieces to find out what that bottom base measured, and we could do that with information that we had. We just need to understand our information.